Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining today's workshop. My name is Chad, for any of you who don't know, and I am the Customer Success Manager here at Boma. Now, today we're going to be looking at setting up a lead form that upon submission will allow the submitter to download either an ebook or a downloadable guide of some sort. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly share my screen, and if you can let me know when you can see that, then we can get started. Great. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate to the lead forms menu, and then we're going to click on new lead form. From here, give the lead form a name. In this case, we can say downloadable guide, and then click on create. Now, you don't necessarily have to worry about the name of the lead form. It's just there to give you an idea of what that lead form is, so it won't be seen by any of your leads or your clients. Now, from here, you can go in and you can change the form page heading, as you can see there, and then form page body, as you can see here. In this case, because we are attaching a downloadable guide to the lead form, we can edit this text to say, sign up to our list and receive our downloadable ebook. And then you can leave the form page body as it is, or you can change that. In this case, I'm going to leave that as it is. And then we're going to move down to the form fields and select first name, as email is already a mandatory field. And then also select last name. And if you would like any other form fields to be added, then you can do so accordingly as well. So what we'll do is we'll click on save. And so that will be saved now. And then we'll move on to the post submit tab. And so this is where we need to add that link. So under this section, this is what visitors will see after they submit your form. You want to select send to a custom page. And then what you need to do is paste that download URL within the text box there. And we'll click on save. Now, this is going to be the file that the submitters are going to be able to click through and download to view once they have signed up to your mailing list. And lastly, on the settings tab, this is where you can make further changes to this lead form, where you can add a tag to that specific lead form. You can turn on a notification. So whenever this particular lead form has been filled out, you will receive a notification by email. And so you just need to add your email address within this text box. And then further to this, you can also add your domain URL for your website, which will allow you to embed this lead form directly on your website for your web traffic to view. So if I type this in here, and what we'll do is I'll turn this off for now. Once we click on save and we scroll up, under HTML code, you will see that there's now a code that has been generated for you to embed the lead form into your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on this URL here. And that is essentially the lead form in a URL format, not embedded in your website. And we're going to fill this out to show you exactly what's going to happen. So right. So once we click on submit, the submitter should be taken to the ebook download URL. And so from here, they'll be able to preview what this ebook looks like. And then on the top right, they'll be able to click download, which will automatically start to download to their system once they have save that, as you can see there. Now, are there any questions about what we had just gone through? I guess silence is a good thing at this in this case. For anyone that does have any further questions on this particular workshop, feel free to reach out to support@bomamarketing.com, or you can also send me an email on chad.rapepi@bomamarketing.com, or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, everyone. I look forward to seeing you all on the next workshop, and bye for now.